Welcome back to Market Pros, and let's get right into it. So here we have Solana. We did break bearish out of the symmetrical triangle, basically got the measured move. So we did have this fake out. Now, whether this breaks this support, this resistance turns support, we have been finding support on this so far. Now, if it does break, we could have another fake out, come back down to the 200, make a double bottom. We keep mentioning these double bottoms today, because, the altcoins follow Bitcoin for the most part. Now, we have been talking about a major pullback on Solana. This could have been it, but, we have a fresh cross of the zero line. Negative momentum did just print a red bar on the histogram. Your moving averages did just cross over the 21 and the 50, crossed over the 100 bearish. As you had this breakage of the symmetrical triangle broke down. Usually these break the way that you're going up into that, but they do have a 30% chance of going the other way. Nothing is for sure. So we could come back down to the 200, make a double bottom, then try again. Volatility is turning up as the price action is moving down. Solana had some negative momentum behind it because of Bitcoin. We are in the bearish control zone below the signal line. We have no divergences to be aware of right now. Okay, so we did have bearish divergence. That's what led us down to here. Looks like we're trying to break this level of support. So we will find out. Definitely watch Bitcoin. Let's zoom out a little bit and go to the 4-hour. All right, so here on the 4-hour, RSI is in the neutral median zone, but we did have a retest and resumption down from the signal line. And let's see here. Okay, so you do have bullish divergence, but that move's probably already over. You had a big rejection from basically the bottom of this support. And so now it turned resistance. So we'll need to get back above that level in order to continue on to 140. 140, basically 44. MACD is heading down. Your negative momentum did print another dark red bar on the histogram. Volatility's in the lower zone. We don't have a lot of volatility on the 4-hour. It's starting to pick up a little bit. But yeah, so stay tuned. I would definitely pay attention to the 1-hour to, see if we do break this level. If we break this level, we could come down to the 50 EMA, make a double bottom. If that breaks, I think we do come down to the purple region at about 121.73 region. Could be all the way from there to 116. That's a big region, but that's the region I have on here. If that level breaks, go down to the 100 at 111. If that region breaks, come down to the 200 at basically 99. Validation of the upside, we've talked about this before, would be about 148. And if it breaks that, we'll come back to it. This could just be the pullback that we were talking about. So far we're just retesting this resistance turn support. So just pay attention to that level. It could come down. We could have another fake out. We could have a double bottom here. Solana's still looking good, but just be aware. We could come all the way down to this purple region and still make a higher low on the 4-hour. So yeah, just watch this region and stay tuned. We'll cover Solana every single day. So those are my thoughts. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.